Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Someone asked me, what do I do when the market is slow? What do you do when the market is slow? This is what I teach at hedgingmastermind.com. Remember guys, if you want to copy my trades for free, message me on Telegram. Join the free Telegram group with over 5,000 members. We're trying to get to 13,000 to 10,000 to 15,000 before the end of the year. Yeah, if you want to copy my trades, message me, copy, and make sure you have at least $500 to copy my trades for free. The profit will be split every month at 90% for you, 10% for me. And if you want 3-month VIP signals, that means you'll be able to get daily signals, the same signals I'm taking on my account daily with daily follow up. Message me trial on Telegram. So join the free Telegram group, link in the description below, so that you can cash out like we're all cashing out. And yeah, on slow trading days, what I tend to do is scalping. Okay, so I haven't been scalping for a while, but I started scalping again. I'll start uploading videos on that. In fact, today I may scalp. We'll see a scalping video. And yeah, I use my software. As you can see, I'll show it on my charts. I use my software. Today is a nice day, actually. Today is a nice day with good weather. I can hear some kids playing. Yeah, I use my software to take my trades. You can get the course at hedgingmastermind.com. You learn live with me. I share my screen on Zoom. You get the software also. The software tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to get out of your trade, the market direction, long term and short term. It does all the analysis for you, so you are fully confident when you take all your trades. Okay, and yeah, you can have as little as $50 and be able to join my free Telegram group. 3 months of free signals testing my system, okay, so that you can cash out like this. I'm not even telling you to pay me. However, if you can't get the free signals, or you prefer to pay for the signals, you can also pay for it. It's less than $50 a month, okay, which is a bargain. I think it's about $40 a month if you want to pay for it. But like I said, if you want to test it for free for the first 3 months, message me trial on Telegram. If you want to connect your account to my account and copy my trades, message me copy on or PAM on Telegram. Also join the free Telegram group also. So yes, scalping is the way I have 2 systems called System A and System B. My System A system is a fast way of getting profits from the market. 2 pips, 3 pips, very fast and very quick. And you also be safe. We're not using stop loss, we're hedging. Hedging is a way of getting out of your trade without any losses. So that means if the market was on a buy, you know, the software tells you when exactly to sell, when exactly to and the market direction, what price exactly to sell and where exactly to sell, the market direction and how far it can go. It does all the analysis for you, so you always come out of your trades. So I have a lot of hedging videos. You can watch my playlist also, and I do that live with my students, either online where I share my screen on Zoom or in person. You can go to hedgingmastermind.com for that. If you have any questions, message me on Telegram. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, okay? Make sure to join the free Telegram group. And hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead. If you have any question, make sure to comment. It helps boost the algorithm of the channel. Click the notification bell, subscribe, like and share. And we'll meet in the next video again. Like, share and subscribe.